Good morning. Okay, y'all, today is Saturday, even though I kind of feel like Sunday, and I most definitely don't want to rush it. Put some lotion on. I'm on my way to Bath and Body Works. Today is a beautiful day so far, and it's super early. It's like 10 o'clock, well, 10:15. I should have been gone. I wanted to be at the store when they opened. But today is a lovely day. Oh my goodness, the sun is shining, the flowers is starting to bloom, the weather is starting to break. It's starting to be super nice out. Yes, you still need a jacket, but this is the weather that I actually really enjoy. I really enjoy the spring. I love seeing all the flowers bloom. But anyway, today Bath and Body Works is doing a $5.95 sale on single wicks, so I am gonna go. Even y'all know I normally don't buy single wicks, I always use my rewards for the single wicks, but this time I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna buy some because I really enjoy the copper coconut sands. I really absolutely love that candle, and they don't have it in a 3-wick, so therefore I gotta buy it in a single wick. And normally when I burn it, because I am burning this candle instead of putting it on the warmer, I normally burn 2 at a time. So I do have probably 5, I believe, so far, but you gotta think, I'm burning 2 at a time, so it's not enough. So I think I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna grab probably like 4 of those candles. One of my stores do have that lemon pound cake candle, and I heard the single wick really throws good, so I might grab a couple of those, and really that's it. That's all I really want, nothing else. Well, I don't plan on buying anything else. So leave in the comments, let me know, are you going to participate in this sale, or is this something that you're going to skip? If it wasn't for that copper coconut sands candle, I most definitely would be skipping. But so leave in the comments, let me know what is the candle that you're chasing. I know a lot of people is going for that lemon pound cake candle, so leave that in the comments. Let me know what is your #1 pick on this $5.95 single wick sale. Also, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything: vlogs, reviews, hauls, sip and chat, walkthrough. Follow me on Instagram using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. So we gonna head on over here. I ain't gonna draw this video out. I kind of want to stop at this little barbecue spot. I don't know, let's head on over here and see what we can find. Okay, y'all, I did everything that I said I wasn't gonna do. I did it. Everything I said I was not gonna do, I did it. I got a bag. Boy, I tell you. Boy, I tell you. Okay, here we go. And what I did notice is the candles were already ringing up $5.95. I'm not sure if you need a code or not, because I did ask the young lady, can I use a coupon? And she said sure if you have one, but I didn't have no coupon. God dog, I didn't have a coupon, y'all. So that sucks big time. Matter of fact, let me look at the email. Let me check out the email real quick. Let me pause this. Yes, if you have a coupon, you can use a coupon inside the store. It's just that I didn't have one. Oh, that sucks. I don't have one. I do have my 30% coupon that I got in the mail. I mean, my email. But I really don't want to use that for this. I would rather use that coupon for 3 wick candles, because I know tomorrow they're going to have another 10 off sale. You know, so I got until April 12th to use that coupon. So I'm gonna kind of hold on to that one. Trying to think, do I have a coupon? I absolutely do not have a coupon. That sucks big time, because I could have paid $4 something for these candles. Anything is savings. If you could get these candles under $5, it's a good deal. If you could get these candles around $3 something, is a better deal. But sometimes you got to take what you can get. Said all that to say this, I got way too doggone many candles. But let's get to it. First thing, they had this. I thought this thing was so cute. Now, if I come back tomorrow and use my coupon, I'm most definitely gonna return and repurchase so I could get that little discount, because this thing was basically $10, overpriced $10, but I actually really like it. And it holds these. It holds the spray sanitizer. So, and it has that little diamond on it. I thought that was so cute, but for $10, it's kind of overpriced to me. So I most definitely wanted to grab that, because I actually really, really love the spray hand sanitizer. So yeah, and I don't have a holder for them. Oh girl, pretty Chanel bag. So yeah, that was the only side thing. Okay, the next thing I got, let me get the bag out. Man, I wish I had a coupon. Okay, I got 3 of the iced lemon pound cake. I got 3 of these because everybody says that this one really, really throw good. And I already know they're probably gonna sell out of these. I'm just saying, they're gonna sell out of this because, one, it's a new scent, and of course everybody love when they have something new and popular like this. Everybody love pound cake type of candles, or cake type of candles. Let's smell it. Wow, this smells so good. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, this thing smells super good. Let's see what let me check out the notes. I'm glad I grabbed 3. Wow. And this store actually do have the 3 wick candle, but regular price, so that's a no. And that's one thing he did say. He was like, I'm sorry, it's regular price though. Okay, let's check the scent notes. Wow, that candle smells so good. Okay, the scent notes in iced lemon pound cake is sugar glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake, and whipped cream. Wow. Like I said, I bought 3. And this was actually the one that I was telling the person, I'm like, this look a little weird on the inside of it, but y'all probably can't see that. This thing smell good. Wow. I most definitely get like a pound cake, and I also get like when you mix lemon along with like powdered sugar, I kind of get that type of lemon. like it said, like a ice, what is it? Yeah, it's like the ice lemon, the sugar lemon ice glaze stuff. I most definitely get that. Oh my goodness, this is good. This is good, and I hope this throw. And like I said, I got 3 of them. Let me make sure. Wow, from what I can see, because you know your girl need her glasses on. My glasses back here, but whatever. Okay, I got those 2. Y'all already knew I was actually coming for the copper coconut sands because I actually love it, love it, love it. Got those. I decided to get lemon plus rosemary. I got that one. Let me smell it. Like a lemon herbal. To me, it kind of smelled like it kind of smelled like cough, like those lemon cough drops to me. This is nice. And as y'all did see that they had 2 versions of this one. 2 versions of, and I should have checked the price, but I'm assuming everything is going to come up to $5.95. They had 2 versions of this. They had one with the orange label, and then they had this one with the pink label. The one with the orange label was, I think it was orange, I don't know, but the other one was $14.50 and this one was $15.50. So I guess they're phasing that look out and going along with this one. So this is grapefruit and sage. Grapefruit scents is just okay for me. These are the type of scents that I really could kind of pass on. I really don't need like a whole lot of them because I actually do have I do have a grapefruit candle by Nest, I believe, and it's actually nice, but it's not really my favorite scent. And then the last one I got is a butterfly, and I actually placed the order as well, y'all. Now, butterfly smells pretty good in the candle form. The candle form is actually really, really nice. I wonder if the scent notes the same. It smells more powdery like. Raspberry nectar, iris petals, and airy vanilla. It's not bad. I really like the candle more than I like the body care. To me, the body care is just okay. Damn, she's super close. And she is super close. She had to squeeze out. It's like, if you got to do all that, that should tell you that you're a little too close. Let me back up and move over a little bit. I'm just saying, y'all, people be doing stupid stuff. Stupid stuff. But, I'm sorry. But yes, those are all the candles that I got. I think out of all of these, of course, y'all know I love the coconut, the copper sand. Love that. But out of all these, this has to be my favorite. If you have not smelled this or got your hands on this, I highly, highly, highly recommend this. This is so good. Wow. Wow, this is good, y'all. Okay, Bath and Body Works, y'all on to something. Y'all did this right. We just gonna see what it smelled like burning. Okay, y'all, I'm back at home, but I did go to Target and they had this Stanley cup. I've been looking for these cups for a while now. And you see, it's a 40-ounce cup with the reusable straw, the ombre. These are on trend now. I absolutely love Stanley cups. Love them, love them, love them. If you could get your hands on one, I highly recommend it. I got a couple of the Starbucks Stanley cups, but these are super duper hard to find. Oh my goodness, and they ain't cheap either, to be honest. They're not cheap, but I most up. Sorry if y'all heard Damon. Y'all know he on that game. He always on the game. But yes, this isn't the color I wanted. I really wanted that Tiffany blue or that mint color. That's the color I really want. But y'all know your girl love ombre. So yeah, this was the last one that the store had. They had some of the jug ones, the bigger ones, but I really didn't want that style. I really wanted this one because of the handle, and then a straw You know, I don't like the little things that you got to lift up and then it's a straw. I don't like those. I like the actual straw. So yeah, I did grab that. And as you do see, it says 11 hours cold, 2 days iced, and 7 hours. Oh, yeah, I couldn't even say that. 7 hours hot. That it do have a lifetime warranty. So if anything go wrong, you can send a cup back to the company and they will replace it, or I guess probably give you a credit. And it is dishwasher safe. So yes, that's a good thing. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Okay, there we go. So yes, still looking for the teal color or Tiffany blue or whatever they call it. And that's that. 11 hours cold, 2 days with ice, and 7 hours hot. Amazing. And as you see, got the big grip, meaning the handle, logo at the top. Love it. 40 ounces. Love it. Ombre. This is called coral. This is the coral and pink. So yeah. Last one in store. Super duper lucky. Check your Target. These things are selling out like Starbucks cups. As fast as Starbucks release their cups, you know how they fly off the shelves? These Stanley cups do the same thing. So if you find one, you are very lucky. Like I said, I was shocked to find this, and it looked like somebody had it and then changed their mind because it was not even sitting where the normal cups be. I was just so happened to be going toward the candles and I seen it there. I'm like, what? Super shocked. Super duper shocked. And like I said, this was the only one. So I just want to put that in there. And now we're going to go back to my closing. So leave in the comments. Let me know, what did you get on this sale? If you passed, or did you go out and chase the ice lemon pound cake candle? Leave that in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Of course, hit the notification bell. Also follow me on all of my social media platforms and follow or use my hashtag. And I most definitely will see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.